Hey everyone! Filing taxes in Canada can feel like a daunting task, but today I'm going to make it a whole lot easier for you. Stick around, and you'll learn some essential tips and tricks to master your Canadian taxes. First things first, let's talk about deadlines. The deadline for most Canadians to file their income tax return is April 30th. But if you or your spouse are self-employed, you've got until June 15th to file. However, if you owe taxes, those need to be paid by April 30th. Mark those dates on your calendar and avoid any late filing penalties. Now, let's dive into deductions and credits. There are several you should know about. For instance, if you're a student, make sure you claim tuition tax credits. Also, keep track of your textbooks and other eligible expenses. Parents, you can claim childcare expenses and even certain extracurricular activities under the Children's Arts and Fitness tax credits. One of the most overlooked deductions is the moving expenses deduction. If you moved at least 40 kilometers for work, school, or to start a business, you could be eligible to claim some of those costs. Make sure you keep all your receipts. Speaking of receipts, get organized. Whether you prefer using a shoebox or a digital app, keeping track of your receipts and documents throughout the year will save you a ton of headaches when tax season rolls around. Next, let's talk about RRSPs. Contributions to your registered retirement savings plan can significantly reduce your taxable income. The deadline for RRSP contributions is usually 60 days after the end of the tax year, so keep that in mind. If you're working from home, especially in light of recent events, you may be eligible for the Home Office expense deduction. The CRA has simplified this with a flat rate method, but you might get more from detailed expense tracking. Compare both methods to see which benefits you the most. Now, don't forget about tax software. Using a reliable tax software can make filing much easier and ensure you don't miss out on any credits or deductions. Many of these programs are designed to catch errors and provide guidance throughout the process. Another tip: consider direct deposit for your tax refund. It's faster and more secure than waiting for a check in the mail. Lastly, if your tax situation is complex, don't hesitate to seek professional help. It might cost a bit up front, but a tax professional can help you navigate tricky areas and often save you more money in the long run. So there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to mastering your Canadian taxes. Remember, being proactive and organized can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you next time.